Happy birthday. What do you say?
I go hate that ring.
Hello, Vanessa's friends. You know when they hello. Hello. You know?
Yeah, I know.
We're in Boston.
I'm freezing my butt off.
Tushy off. Okay, now I feel awkward.
Say
Get it
happy
off.
birthday.
On the internet? What?
Hello.
Woo! You can interview me.
Am I in that? No, please don't. I don't think so. No, you're probably in it.
One thing right, you.
I have to do my makeup. I'm like so glad you're taking a video. I was so concerning. I know. What the fuck is this doing now? I hope not. I did that day. We do it when it's all alone. Yeah, I know the die. I got my charger, don't worry.
Oh yay.
Because it always dies. It literally takes 4 seconds. Really? What do you want me to put?
I need Fav chapstick.
Alright. Oh my god. Is there a charger over here? Oh, another one. Oh, there's one in the bathroom, right? Another one? Now what? I go, where's the charger? I'm throwing it. Oh, good. That like fits perfectly.
Like I did that day.
Yeah. Trying hard, but we back up. No, it's only trying to check love.
Are you using this now?
I'ma take the time to cut them off. I need crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.
You know you're in a relationship with all of us. Why am I concentrating so much? Patrick,
Trying to check us. Pop my experience like you mad.
oh my god, he's literally listening to this.
Girl so crazy. Number one baby. You know the longest time trying to check us.
Wait, here, I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, just take like a feel. Let me see.
Alright. It's gonna go like this one. Alright, ready?
This video is
Alright, go.
ridiculous. Hi everyone. Say hi.
Hi! I'm gonna fall over this.
I know it feels.
I'm gonna puke when I look up there.
I know. Going to dinner.
Hi guys! I swear all I've been doing is dancing. Okay guys, can you pause?
Yeah, what's yes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Or just take a picture. And she's drinking water. She's choking.
What? Yes, tea?
Yes, but then I don't want to stay in the room forever, and then it's already gonna be time by the time we get here. It's really weird. I don't want to hang in the car. Kind of weird. It's not just him.
We are gonna
He said he
go.
works there or something.
Out.
He didn't.
Out. See you
He said
guys.
he works here, so I
In the
don't know
morning.
where he lives here. Okay, but you said he works.
Oh wait,
somewhere.
my shirt is from
Yeah.
Salvation Army. My pants are from.
Okay, well I don't feel like I'm wearing you just can't marry any of
I
them.
don't know. They're Gianna's. My shoes are Air Force
Okay.
Ones.
What you talking about?
My camera. Okay, Gianna's getting angry. Peace. It's so dark. Where's the flash?
Pour it out.
be like at home. I just love being at home. I need to get more of this. This one's yours, right? The bag, the blue one. This. Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. I'm in Boston. I just took a shower. We're gonna go get some breakfast. And kind of slept in. It's like 9 right now. And I think we're gonna go get some green juices. I just put on this oversized sweatsuit from Revolve. Threw my hair in a bun, but I think I'm gonna take it down. So I dried it out the other night. I don't want to ruin it. Then we're going to kind of like walk around. I don't really know the plan, but figure it out. Putting on some jewelry. Autumn, are you ready? I know, with makeup. Alright. Just went to Mother Juice. You got a smoothie. What is it?
Okay, crackhead. I don't even know. Some green one.
And we got avocado toast and what else? Banana. I don't even know. Oatmeal. Rainy, gloomy day in Boston.
They're coming. I don't know. Where are you coming to Boston?
I got an overnight oats. A green juice. Just got back from Mother Juice, a side of almond butter. This is so good. I got banana bread.
At home.
Vegan. I'm so excited to eat that later. And I got, oh my god, like what? Did I like think I was dying of starvation?
Yes.
Avocado toast. How do you open it? My ears are so cold.
What?
Oh, why is this upside down?
Mine fell too. I'm going
Yay! I'm so hungry. Am I being recorded now? What?
He goes, you can't walk straight.
No.
No drink, no more serve. I say, it's my birthday, I walk straight fine.